You have your SSH profile ready. Now let's add your first WordPress site to the app. Adding a site is where the real work begins. Once a site is registered, you can run maintenance on it with one click. Backup, update, and HTTP check, all automatic. In this video, we will walk through the Add Site form field by field, show how to use auto-detect to save time, and cover the optional settings you can tune later. Let's begin. In the top toolbar, click the Add Site button. A form opens with all the fields you need. Do not worry, most fields have clear help text below them, so you will not get lost. The first field is Site Name. This is a display name for the site inside the app. It does not have to match the domain or anything technical. Use something your team recognizes at a glance. For example, Acme Corp, corporate site, Client A, e-commerce, or blogexample.com. Pick anything that helps you scan the site list later. Remember, this is just a label for you. Next, the server settings section. This is where the SSH profile you set up earlier comes in. Open the SSH Profile dropdown and pick the profile for the server this site lives on. That one choice is all the SSH setup this site needs. You will notice there are no host, username, port, or key path fields on this screen. There is nothing to re-enter here. Instead, the app reads the connection details from the profile automatically in the background whenever it runs maintenance on this site. You manage all of that once in the SSH Profiles window, and every site simply points to a profile by name. If multiple sites live on the same server, they all share one profile. Update the profile once, and every linked site picks up the change. No need to edit each site one by one. No SSH access on your server? Check the Do Not Use SSH box at the top right of this section. The app falls back to browser automation using Playwright, controlling your WordPress admin panel directly. A warning will appear to confirm because some advanced features, like pinpoint rollback and database backup, are only available with SSH. Use browser-only mode only if you truly cannot set up SSH on your host. With your profile selected, the next key field is WordPress installation path. This is the folder on your server where WordPress is installed. For example, /home/your-user/your-domain/public_HTML. Not sure of the exact path? The app can find it for you, but only when an SSH profile is selected. Look at the Auto Detect button next to the field. When no profile is selected, the button stays grayed out and inactive because detection works by connecting to your server over SSH and scanning common WordPress install locations. So if the button looks disabled, go back up to Server Settings and pick a profile first. Once a profile is in place, click Auto Detect. The app connects to your server over SSH, lists every WordPress installation it finds, and you just click the correct path to fill the field. If you manage multiple WordPress installs on the same server, you will see them all listed side by side. Pick the one that matches this site. Simple. Below the path, you reach the WordPress information section. Admin panel, URL. Usually, your site URL plus /wp-admin. If you have a custom login path for security, enter that instead. Homepage URL. The public address of the site, like https://example.com. This is used for HTTP status checks after every update. Then, your WordPress admin credentials, username and password. These are used at the end of every maintenance run. Yes, even when SSH is working perfectly. After the update's complete, the app logs into your admin panel to check that everything is healthy on the inside, catching things like a stuck maintenance mode, a pending database upgrade prompt, or the admin email confirmation screen. In Do Not Use SSH mode, the same credentials also drive the updates themselves through browser automation. The password is encrypted locally before being stored on your machine. It never leaves your computer. Below the required fields, you will find optional settings. You can leave all of these alone at first and come back later. Excluded plugins. If there are plugins you do not want to auto-update, premium plugins, custom plugins, or anything sensitive, list them here. With an SSH profile connected and the installation path filled in, click Fetch from Server to pull the live list of installed plugins, then check the ones to skip. In Do Not Use SSH mode, or before a profile is set up, the Fetch button cannot reach your server, so you will need to enter the plugin slugs manually, separated by commas. The slug is the folder name, not the display name. You can find it in WP Admin under Plugins. Click any link on a plugins row and look for plugin equals slug-name in the URL. Screenshot comparison. When on, the app takes before and after screenshots and checks for layout changes above 8%. Useful for catching visual regressions, but can produce false positives on sites with carousels or dynamic content. Off by default. Aggressive autofix mode. When a fatal error happens, the app does more than disable the offending plugin. It rolls back files, clears caches, and switches themes as needed. Powerful, but use at your own risk. Off by default. Review your inputs and click Save. Your new site appears in the Registered Sites list on the dashboard, ready for maintenance. From here, you can select one or more sites and click Run Maintenance to start a safe, automated update. We will cover that in the next video. That is how to add a WordPress site to WP Maintenance Manager.